Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add effects to your video on the Videoleap application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone and click on this plus icon down below. After that, select the video you would like to edit and click on the Add to Project button. Select the editing mode and click on the Continue button. After that, you should slide to the right side of the screen and click on the Effects feature down below. Here you can find a bunch of categories at the top as you slide on this section: motion, flashes, lens effects, lens flare, blur, retro, rays, glitches. And within the selected category you will be directed to the particular set of effects that you can choose from. Click on the relevant one that you would like to apply, and here you can see how it looks like applied to your video. And if you are satisfied with it, click on the check mark icon. Here you can see the purple part which marks the effect that you have selected, so you have the chance to make adjustments such as the mode. You can adjust it on the slide, add reflection, RGB, opacity, animation. You can also duplicate it and remove it if you want to. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.